Hi guys, welcome today to my channel. So guys, in today's video we're going to have a double Van Cleef Arpels unboxing. I cannot wait to share these two beautiful pieces with you guys that I recently added to my collection. I'm so in love with them. I didn't expect to fall like this deeply in love with these two beautiful pieces. They're so stunning. I just want to get to the unboxing with you guys. So if you've never heard of Van Cleef Arpels before, it's a jewelry brand and I feel like they make the most stunning pieces, especially if you are someone who loves gemstones and fine jewelry, or even maybe the minimalist type of look. I feel like Van Cleef Arpels is such a good brand for you. I bought these two pieces from the online store because we don't have a Van Cleef Arpels store here in the Netherlands, so I just bought them online. I've got there a very wonderful and very nice essay. I feel like they all are so nice. It's such a good experience. So I'm just like in love, not only like with the pieces, but also by the way that they treat you, and they make you feel really special when you buy a piece from them, no matter the brand, price and stuff like that. So I'm really happy. Two pieces came like in the bigger kind of like in box, and also with the usual kind of like booklets from Van Cleef Arpels. They came in together because I bought them together. So they both came like with the booklet and of course with the certificate kind of like inside of it. They both have like the booklet and also the certificate in it, like here, like on both. They do have it, so of course I'm not going to share that, but they came in. Also came with another kind of like a booklet. I actually never opened this one up, so I'm kind of like curious what's inside of it. It's kind of like a cleaning cloth, so kind of like clean the jewelries with it. So that is what you get. Up to the real unboxing of the pieces. So this one is one that I already told you guys. This is one I received for Valentine's Day. I didn't expect to love it so much, but guys, it's really super cute. So this is the piece. It even comes like with a little protection on top, and it is the carnelian sweetheart pendant necklace. I am so in love with this piece. It is so gorgeous and so unique. So the heart, as I said, is from carnelian, and the necklace is actually rose gold. And I don't know like if you ever saw any video of me about jewelry before, but I actually said that I'm not a rose gold lover. So I surprised myself this time because I didn't expect to actually love this pendant as much as I do. It is such a lovely, gorgeous pendant. And I don't know like how to put it. It is so cute. Guys, it's literally something that just, and I think also like the thought behind it that makes it like worthwhile. It's even like more beautiful. But I absolutely love this one. So I think the necklace length of this one might be 40 to 39. I think it's kind of like more of a choker. So you do have like two options, two adjustment sizes. And I actually wear this one on the shortest one because I like to wear it just a little bit like higher upon my neck like this. So this is like how I wear it. And look at how gorgeous this is. It's like so cute. I absolutely adore this one. Even grew to love the rose gold color. Like how odd is that? Only thing about this pendant, you guys, is that it does move around. So in case that you find that a little bit annoying or anything, then be mindful about that. It doesn't like stick to one place. So it really is a pendant that you can play around with. So take that into consideration. But I really love this length of this necklace. So up to the next piece that I got, and I really didn't expect to get this one. I was really going back and forth on this piece, and actually because I've got this one, I was like, okay, I want to add something as well that's rose gold. But of course the piece that I want, if you guys saw my jewelry wish list for 2024, I really want this 16 necklace in rose gold, but that is like something that is a very rare piece, so you really need to wait a long time. So I'm on the waiting list for that one, but I wanted something that I could wear with this beautiful necklace, and I felt like I didn't have like the right piece yet to wear with it, so I kind of like added this one as well to wear with this one. So I was very hesitant about this one because I've heard the review and I was like, it might not be something for me. And then I saw a video that showed it like when it hits the light, and I was like, wow, I think I might like that gemstone. So I actually called my SA and asked her if they still had this one because it is a limited piece, and she told me, yes, you know, we do have it, do you want one? And she was able to make some videos for me, and then I got to choose which one I wanted. So if you guys can like have an idea of which I'm talking about, so it does also come like with kind of like a cushion on top like this. And then when I remove it, you guys will see the beautiful holiday pendant of 2023. It is the silver obsidian pendant with the diamond in the middle in rose gold. So I'm not sure, kind of like I broke my own rules, like not buy rose gold. But when this piece came, you guys, I was like so surprised on how stunning it is in real life. It might look on the pictures like a countertop, but in real life, like the way the lights, when it kind of like hit the lights, I feel like it's so gorgeous. Like I fell in love with it. Now, I do have to say, it really took me a while to warm up to the rose gold. This necklace, I kind of like put it down like a couple of times, and I must have tried it hundreds of times on and off to kind of like get the feeling if I would keep it or if I wouldn't. And I actually decided to, in the first instance, not to keep it. And the reason for that is, and I'll show you guys, when I put it on the longest length, I decided that it was too much up in my face. So this is the necklace when I have it on, so the combination, and I think it's not a bad combination. I don't think like this is a bad length to have, but I felt like it was too high in my face. So I was actually ready to send this necklace back, even though I really love the gemstone, but I was like, it's not the right length for me. Then one of you guys commented, like by coincidence, on one of my other videos stating that if I wanted to wear my agate 10 motif necklace more, then it would be an idea for me to add inches to my necklace. And I was like, what? Is this like even possible with Van Cleef? I didn't know that. I did know that you could let it resize, but I thought like it was like a one-way street. Like you could always resize it to a smaller size, but not like bigger. But then she stated like, you know, you can add 3 inches. So of course I called Van Cleef Arpels and my SA confirmed it. And so I would be sending this back to let it resize, because I really feel like it is a better size for me if 3 inches were to be added to this necklace. So that is like with the moment that I decided, okay, you know, this is the perfect necklace for me. So you can see here there is kind of like a Van Cleef tag to it, and It's just like not remove. If you remove it, you won't be able to return it. Now this tag here is the exact 3 inches. So I'm going to show you guys what the difference is when I resize it, and the length on how this necklace will be, and how I figured out kind of like for myself that I wanted it to be resized. So this would be like the length when the necklace is resized. I've been wearing it like this, like these 2 necklaces, kind of like this, and I've been loving them so much. And I even feel like with the rose gold, it's just a little bit more subtle. Like yellow gold is a little bit more out there, and then with the rose gold, it kind of like blends in almost like with my skin tone. I don't know like if you can see it. Like this is the yellow gold, and this is the rose gold. And of course, maybe that's like a crazy comparison because here we have like so much more surface. So of course this is going to be more yellow, then this is going to be more gold. But you can like get the idea. So I've been loving them so much more this way. And I'm really happy with these 2 beautiful pieces. So these are the pieces that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know in the comment box down below what you think of these pieces. Would you get like either of these 2 or not? And I know so many of you guys maybe saw the holiday pendant of 2023. Let me know also what you guys think of it. So for now, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more videos of me, then don't forget to subscribe. For now, thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!